Hello, I'm Brenda and I created MyBobette. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use the MyBobette system to cut an angled bob at home on fine or thinning hair. Please note that medium and thicker hair typically need to be cut in sections to achieve an even result. For that reason, MyBobette is not recommended for those hair types. This is the finished result. Now I'll show you how to create it. Start with clean damp hair, comb straight back from your face so it flows smoothly over the top of your head with no parting, following the shape of your head. Secure in a low bun with the hair tie from your kit. MyBobette is positioned by sliding it over your crown so it lies flat against the back of your head, and tie the ribbons comfortably at the front of the forehead. Slide MyBobette gently down your head until the lower edge of the arc sits at the length you'd like your bob to be. Tighten the ribbons if needed and check that the arc is even and symmetrical across the back of your head. And now gently remove the elastic hair tie, not the ribbons, and lightly comb the hair just before the arc before starting cutting. At this stage, I'm just finally putting the template where I want it to be and determining how much hair I'm going to be cutting off, or in this case, my husband is going to be cutting off. And here I'm just taking a moment to think about it and confirming by feel that that's the length I want cut off. As you prepare to cut, it's worth just taking a moment to make sure that the hair is combed nicely and is flat and ready to cut. And now you're ready to begin cutting with confidence. Start at one end and follow the curve of the arc using steady, deliberate snips, and let the arc guide your line. The bob shape is built in. Cutting takes a couple of minutes, and I'll just let you watch as my husband carefully and thoughtfully cuts along the arc. Now that he's successfully cut all of my hair along the arc, this is the time before removing MyBobette to gently check your edges. What he will do next, once he's trimmed those little hairs, is he's going to gently lift the lower arc edges, the curve you just cut, and lightly comb through the section to check for any longer strands. Trim any pieces that fall below the curve so the line looks smooth and even, and then you're ready to untie and remove MyBobette. And now that my husband has successfully completed the cut, I'm just having a final touch as I get ready to untie the ribbons and remove MyBobette. And there you have it. Now you're at the point where you can blow dry and finish as you wish, and then step back and admire your cut.